Alam ni Lord kung gaano kita kamahal. Lagi lang ako nandito. Miss kita araw-araw. Mahal kita habang buhay. I love you so much.
E.A. Guzman o Edgar Allan ay ibinahagi rin ng kanyang napaka-sweet at syempre heart-touching na wedding vows para sa kanyang asawa na si Shaira Diaz. E.A. Guzman reflected on their 12-year journey together, marked by shared joy, challenges, and growth as a couple with Shaira Diaz in his vow during their wedding ceremony in Silang, Cavite.
Baba, Matcha, my love. 12 years ago, I met the woman who would change my life forever. Since then, every day, every month, every year has been a beautiful chapter in the story God has written for us. We have laughed until our hearts hurt. We have cried through challenges, and we have grown into the people we are today, together.
Mula kay Edgar Allan, today, before God, our family, and everyone we love, I vow to love you without condition, to cherish you without measure, and to remain faithful to you for the rest of my life. Ito yung lagi kong sinasabi, I will celebrate your victories as if they were my own. I will hold you through your lowest times. I promise to honor the years we've shared and make the years ahead even better. Shaira May de la Cruz, you are my greatest yes.
Thank you for waiting po. We're just waiting po. Thank you for waiting po. We're just waiting po.
Baba, we chose a path not everyone would understand. To wait, to honor God, and to honor each other by practicing purity. It wasn't always easy, but it was worth every moment. Because through the waiting, I learned that love.
Marami naman ang na-amaze sa kung gaano katyagang maghintay nito si Edgar Allan para sa kanyang mahal na si Shaira Diaz. Sabi nga dito ni Angelina Salinas, be an inspiration to all. That man must learn to respect the woman if he truly loves her. That woman must respect herself and stand for her self-worth and values. Do not settle for less. Mula naman kay Santi Rodriguez, kwento ng lola ko sa bagong kasal, dapat daw ang sabihin, good luck po sa inyo kasi marami darating na pagsubok at problema na kailangan nilang pagdaanan. Kapag tumagal sila ng 50 years at sila pa ring dalawa, doon pa lang sasabihin ng congratulations dahil nalampasan nyo ang mga problemang pagsubok sa buhay. Kaya good luck po sa inyong dalawa, sana tumagol kayo at hindi maghiwalay at bumuo po ng isang family.
It's not just about desire, but about discipline, respect, and commitment. And now, I got to say that every second of patience brought me to the most beautiful reward, and that's you. Today, before God, our families, and everyone we love, I vow to love you without condition, to to cherish you without measure, and to remain faithful to you for the rest of my life. Ito yung lagi mo sinasabi. I will celebrate your victories as if they were my own. And I will hold you through your lowest valleys. I promise to honor the years we've shared and make the years ahead even better. Shaira May de la Cruz, you are my greatest yes, my forever home, at nag-iisa habang buhay ko. Alam ni Lord kung gaano kita kamahal. Lagi lang ako nandito. Miss kita araw-araw. Mahal kita habang buhay. I love you so much.
Ito naman ang mga bigating ninang at ninong sa kasalang E.A. Guzman at Shaira Diaz. Ninang din ang may-ari ng Nice Print mismo. Talaga namang mga bigatin at sila mismo ang photographer plus ninang pa. Hindi rin mawawala sa bilang ninang ang mga kasamahan ni Shaira Diaz sa unang hirit sina Susan Rosas. Jean Garcia at Bitoy ay kasali din bilang isang ninong at nina. Talaga namang sosyal ang kasalang Shaira at EA. Ito naman ang mga naggagandahang at nagagwapuhang abay sa kasalang EA at siyempre Shaira Diaz. Kabilang din sa mga abay ang ilan sa mga malalapit na kaibigang artista kagaya nga ni River Cruz,